As we all know, COVID had taken a serious health hazard pillar, forcing the world towards a devastating direction, tearing up the courage, health, mentality, as well as the economy of every individual in the country. Now, has the situation of COVID came into a stop? As stated by many facts, the COVID has been overcome by many countries across the globe. But is it really true in India? Is there nothing such of COVID in India? As a matter of fact, the COVID situation of India has worsened than most of the countries. India is currently in its second wave of COVID and has a fear of a rising third wave. Despite the introduction of vaccines by scientists of front-leading companies such as Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India, and a large number of vaccine drives conducted by the government, why is India unable to overcome this pandemic? As of 2021 census, out of 138 crore Indians, only 6.4% of total population has been fully vaccinated. Why is this percentage so low? Why does people hesitate to take vaccines? There are several reasons to be listed that follows people's hesitancy towards vaccine. And the most important ones are the rumors about it. Here, we will try to resolve people's false belief. There are few rumors about a vaccine such that a vaccinated person's lifespan will be reduced, which is totally false. The vaccine does not cause any harm towards our body. In fact, it boosts our immunity. Moreover, some people are scared that the side-affected fever that often rises after taking a dose of vaccine would cause some serious health problems. It is true that a fever might rise after taking the vaccine, which happens as the immunity of the body changes rapidly, but it does not cause a serious or permanent damage to our body. The vaccine comes in a dose of 2. The second dose of Covaxin is taken after 45 days of the first dose, while the time interval between 2 doses of Covishield is 3 months. Due to this long time interval, most people think it's sufficient to take only the first dose of the vaccine and neglect the importance of the second dose. But the process of vaccination is incomplete if the second dose is not taken. Like that, if a broken arm has to be plastered for 3 months but the plaster is removed by 1 month, the arm will not get fixed. It is true that some people have died even after taking both the doses of vaccine. Still, we must not lose our hopes, as these vaccines are the only way to protect ourselves from COVID. In the end, it is the people's fight against this pandemic, where people must stand together and educate others who have false belief and try to eradicate the rumors against the vaccine. We must all be thankful towards the utmost efforts of the doctors, scientists, and to all frontline warriors against this pandemic. Let us all come together to take vaccines for the betterment of our society and end this pandemic. Thank you.